Dear 2022, I'm sorry. I'm sorry that this letter is getting to you so late. I planned on writing it sooner, but I wasn't ready. Nana, it's not that I was busy enjoying New Year's party as such. Well, I hadn't any, other than some formal, normal wishes. Let me be straightforward. Your predecessors have been very vicious to us. Dear New Year, will you really be new or hold on to things we no longer want? I can imagine the pressure you might be feeling right now. The pressure of fixing the past, present, and future. It seems like the whole world has eyes on you with lot of expectations. But to be honest, I don't know what to expect of you. I'm tired of planning because planning is what brought me even more disappointment. When colleges cancelled for the year, when the first semester friendships got cancelled for online silence, and the family trip, which I was so excited for, was all cancelled. Why am I even complaining about 2021 here? Well, it seems it's not you, it's me who is holding on to past. So, I'm finally trying to accept the hard truth that nothing is gonna change overnight. You can't just give up on yourself and each other. Not yet. And that no point is to live in past or future when you only have present. You may not be successful in everything you try, but if you never try, you won't be successful at anything. So, I wanna try. I wanna try more often. I will pat my back regularly for everything I try. So it's time. I relieve you 2021 and I embrace you 2022 in entirety. I promise. I promise to have fun and take care of my body and mind, emotionally, mentally, and spiritually. It has been through a lot and it deserves some genuine love and care. Anyways, this is getting long and probably you are busy. So, I'm ending it here. And now that I think about you, I am late for New Year, but finally ready. So, Happy New Year to me and to world.